Hi, this is tallbridgeguy.com. Last week I taught some elementary school kids how to build some bridges, and one of the things we did was paper bridges. So you take a couple of rulers, maybe put them about 8 inches apart, and then you put a piece of paper on them and try to see if it can carry any pennies. Well, obviously it can't, but the fun thing is if you do a little bit of bending of the paper, you increase the thing called moment of inertia of the paper. Put these back, and all of a sudden you have a bridge that can carry a load. And I had a girl last week that loaded a bridge with 165 pennies. So some of the things you can do, you can have a competition, and if you build a wide bridge, you can spread the load out all over the place, and this is actually a pretty good design if you want to load it all over the place and get a lot of pennies on it. Or you can have a competition where you're only allowed to build a bridge and you have to put the pennies down the middle of the bridge. So you can stack them, keep them in between the rulers, but just put them in a line and see how many you can carry. Maybe make it a little wider apart, about 8 inches. So one single piece of paper, just by bending, no other mechanical things, no paper clips, no nothing, and just load it between the supports and start seeing how many pennies you can carry. And it all depends how you fold it and what kind of design that you make on the bridge. So I think it's a really good way to learn how to do bridges. It's a fun thing for kids to try and build the strongest bridge to carry the most penny. Think of them as cars or people. Give it a try.